Disclaimer, these are fictional substances in Dungeons & Dragons that have mechanics. Most of them. None of these are real. We do not promote real-life substances. Also, if you wish to use these substances in your games, make sure your table is fine with it. Not just your DM, but everyone involved at the table. Anyways, enjoy the video.
Hi! Kubo didn't want to make this video, so I'm gonna do it. There are drugs in Dungeons & Dragons, and they're really good. I love them! Welcome to Pack Tactics, where we say no to drugs. This is just for education and entertainment. So have fun! These drugs are very harmful, but they're not as harmful as you think. You'll see what I mean, but be warned though, your DM might change these to make them more addictive, harmful, or even more costly. And you might become an addict. Anyways, I got all of these from the Tabletop Builds article, link in the description. They also made a mundane items list, which you can check out too. It's a little outdated, but you know, still handy. We're gonna start with the easy one that everyone uses in their games. It's called beer. There are no mechanics, but a tavern is common. You see this drug all the time, and I'm sure everyone has gotten the poison condition from it. Fun fact, that's completely made up. There are no rules. But now let's go into drugs that actually have rules. Let's start with the useful one. Manga leaves. 1 ounce is 2 gold. If you ingest 1 ounce, you get 1 HP. It's great for bringing back allies who are unconscious. And this is cheaper than healing potions. The drawback is if you ingest 5 ounces in a 24-hour period, you're not going to get the additional benefits, and you have to make a con save or fall unconscious for an hour. But the DC isn't bad though, so I highly recommend I don't recommend getting these. You know what? Fuck you, it's the Fuck You Dice 2.0! Only crits wanted to fuck around more, so they started another fucking project with 15 new dice sets. And this time, they're way fucking cooler. Like, look at the... Wait, what the fuck? I didn't actually know the eye rolled around inside the die. These dice say something on natural 20s and natural 1s. And it's not just about fucking. There's also standard ones like Yeet, Hero, and Zero. I want the eyeballs and the ones with the pretty butterflies on them. Anyways, these fuckers are live on Kickstarter right now. So stop fucking around and get some awesome dice. Link in the description. Back to the video. 2 minutes have passed, so now I can say bad words. And we're gonna hit the really hard stuff. Dream Lilies. They're Eberron-flavored morphine. It's 1 to 10 gold. You get the poison condition for an hour. But while poisoned, it makes you immune to fear and basically gives you Death Ward. Yay! You'll have disadvantage on ability checks and attack rolls, but it's a super cheap buff. It could be handy against white dragons, for example, with Frightful Presence. They're fucking scary. If you do go against dragons with this, you should combine it with a resistance potion and absorb elements if you have them. That way you're fighting them very safely. Poison condition doesn't give disadvantage to saving throws. So if you're a full caster, never mind. By the way, removing the poison condition is pretty easy. Somebody can cast Lesser Restoration, or you eat a Wild Root. Wild Root is only 25 gold. Next we've got Marusa Balm. It gives you resistance to fire damage for an hour. No drawbacks. It's 100 gold. And then we've got my favorite. Matt Mercer actually made this, and it's actually official. Black Sap. It's weed. 300 gold. It's amazing. You smoke this to become immune to charm and frightened for 1d6 hours. But you also have to make a DC 15 con save though. On a fail, you get poisoned for 1d4 hours. But that could be easily cured with Lesser Restoration or Wild Roots. Curing the poison doesn't remove the buffs like what happens to Dream Lily. Hooray for Matt Mercer weed! You could also eat a Diki root before smoking Black Sap. It gives you advantage on saves against poisons or toxic substances for 8 hours. That's a long time, and it's 3 gold. Heck yeah! It's straight up cheaper than antitoxin. By the way, you can also use that too. It's probably easier to find too. Next is Willow Shade Oil. It counteracts purification for 30 gold. Cheaper than Greater Restoration. Oil Supa Leaf is something Kobold... never mind. It's used for crafting magical items. If you make tea out of it and consume it during a long rest, it reduces 2 points of exhaustion instead of 1. It's 50 gold. Riot Roots gives you 2d4 temp HP. That too has a low save. It tastes like shit. I mean, I've never tried it. I've heard it tastes bad. I definitely don't recommend this one. It's 50 gold, which is pricey for such a small buzz. And now we get into the really fun stuff. Again, Matt Mercer made this. He made crystallized cocaine official in Dungeons and Dragons. Guys, I'm serious. He's a drug lord. It gives you advantage on intelligence checks for 1d4 hours. Kobold used it to make... Never mind. The drawbacks is it gives you exhaustion if you fail the DC 15 con save. It costs 150 gold. Anyways, Bright Ichor gives you advantage on intelligence and wisdom checks, but it makes you vulnerable to psychic. Lucy in the Sky with diamonds. It costs 200 gold. And finally, we're at the most dangerous one in the whole game. It's Dragon's Blood. It's the most addictive and powerful. It makes you very happy and excited too. You get that purple dragon in you. It's Spyro. Its effects are so powerful that it's up to the DM to make something up. It's always unpredictable and potentially dangerous. Like one time, some addict accidentally cast Fireball in a crowded street. People died. Isn't that fun? It's recommended for DMs to take a random effect from the Wild Magic Search table. But I say make something up. I think you could totally make a whole adventure around this item. Maybe you're a draconic sorcerer because you took too much of this drug. That could be kind of fun. Anyways, that's all the drugs. Yippee! You should totally not go after these substances. They're bad for you. End the video! Check out the Kobold and Gator Dice! We need followers! Anyways, bye-bye!
On this day, 1608, that the great true king of dragons, Pack Tactics, shall ascend and claim his rightful throne.
Kobolds,
Luffy's
tonight we dine in hell!
hooray.
Alright, here we go. Skadoosh. Oh.
And then the server fucking
Hey,
crashes.
everybody remain
Oh
calm.
god.
Oh
my God, no one pushed each other off.
Anybody
Oh,
bring
God.
dogs?
Yeah. I got
Um,
one. Okay. Immediately fell off.
What is this?
No,
Floating eyes?
our first casualty.
Crossbow. Kobold. I will be behind you as a healer. And, you know, temp DPS.
Theoretically, if Kobold gets attacked by the dragon, the gravity belt.
No!
Oh god.
You jumped right in front of me. I was gonna shoot the dragon.
Why are there so
Ow.
many Endermen after me?
Wow, this dragon moves around a lot.
Yep. I'm gonna cast Fireball on this tower and see what happens.
Oh, god damn it.
It didn't work. Alright, I think we can sneak through. Yes, we can. We can sneak through the corners. Don't kill it. Don't kill it. I need its breath. I need its breath.
Who's casting Black Hole? I thought I said not to cast that.
Yeah, we're not doing Black Hole. Black Hole's a tough spell.
Are you guys playing?
Oh,
God.
he got the achievement.
I killed the dragon.
Let's go.
Oh, and then you gotta get in the portal too.
No, wait, don't get in yet. Don't get
No,
in
my
yet.
polar bear is coming.
Yummy XP.
Guys, we did it! We killed her!